Welcome the students in science class. Class 7, Unit 3, Simple Machine. Topics: Simple machine, types of simple machine, lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, screw and wedge. Simple machine, the device which makes our work easier, faster and convenient is called simple machine. Example: scissor, knife, dicky, etc. Types of simple machine: lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, screw, wedge. Lever. Lever is a long rigid bar capable of moving about a fixed point called fulcrum. Types of lever are: first class lever, second class lever, third class lever. Force applied in machine is effort. Object lifted by machine is load. Supporting point in machine is fulcrum. First class lever. The lever which has fulcrum in between load and effort is called first class lever. Example: scissor, beam balance, etc. Second class lever. The lever which has load in between fulcrum and effort is called second class lever. Example: wheelbarrow, nutcracker, etc. Third class lever. The lever which has effort in between fulcrum and load is called third class lever. Example: fire tongue, broom, etc. Pulley. Pulley is a grooved wheel over which rope is passed. Pulley changes the direction of the force. Fixed pulley. The pulley which do not move up and down with load is called fixed pulley. Movable pulley. The pulley which moves up and down with load is called movable pulley. Combined pulley. The combination of fixed pulley and movable pulley is called combined pulley. Wheel and axle. Two cylinders of different radii in which both the cylinders spin on the same axis together are called wheel and axle. Example, string roller, sewing machine, etc. The small amount of force applied on the wheel is multiplied on the axle. Inclined plane. A flat, slanted surface making certain angle with the horizontal surface is called inclined plane. Example, winding rods, ladder, loading plank, etc. Screw. Screw is a simple machine having thread along the cylindrical surface. Example, screw nail, jack screw, driller, etc. Wedge. A simple machine having one blunt and other sharp edge is called wedge. Example, axe, kukuri, tulsi, sickle, etc.